hope you are hungry. We have Lamario Bradwell here today from Soul Food Cafe in Huntington.
Yes, and thank you for joining us. Thanks for coming in. We're so good. Talk about your business. When did you open?
Yeah, well, we started back in March of 2024. We're on the corner of Bottle Street in Norway. Our church actually began to do some meals on the side of the road. We did about 15 events from about March to October last year. And so we just experienced our third month of opening up down on 910 4th Avenue, Suite 100, next to the West Virginia building.
Yeah, you're right downtown in downtown Huntington. So you're getting a lunch crowd, people coming in. What are people saying about it? Because what you've done is you've created an outlet for people who may not have tried soul food before.
Absolutely.
What are people saying?
Well, the good news is we have a lot of repeat customers. Some of our customers have been with us since the very beginning. They're loving the mac and cheese, loving our ribs, loving our fish sandwich. I just want to say some of them are saying we have some of the finest cuisine around, but we also support other businesses as well. So we're glad to hear that they're really enjoying what we're providing for them.
Well, we want to find out what's popular on the menu, but you're going to put us to work too.
Absolutely,
so ready to work. What are we making here?
So today we're going to make an inspired dish called Soul Burritos. Soul Burrito. This is one of our pulled pork soul burritos. As you can see here, we have mac and cheese that goes inside with baked beans, pulled pork, and coleslaw. So the first thing you want to do, grab our original soul sauce first. Want to get this first, original soul sauce. You want to spread that on your soul burrito.
Susan, be careful. It's spicy.
Is it spicy?
It's sweet, tangy, and spicy. This is original right here.
I'll just put a little.
Take some of your mac and cheese. All right. You want to spread it horizontally across your burrito, like so. And afterwards, take some of your baked beans. These are called Sister Gina J's baked beans.
Sister Gina, named after her?
Yep, named after her. All right. Then you want to take some of your pulled pork. This is barbecue pulled pork.
All right.
Spread that over it.
Eat some of these beans while I'm at it. Oh, they're good.
Absolutely. Then you want to take some of your coleslaw. Put on top of that. Now it's a pretty hearty meal.
It looks great.
You got to be careful when you fold it up too. And afterwards, we're going to take the edges, do our best to fold this baby up. That may spill out. You got to be careful.
That means it's good.
Absolutely. There you go. And that's our soul burrito.
How did I do? Tim, you're eating.
I guess he's already.
And
if you want to cut it in half. All right. And then you can be sure to take you a bite if you like.
And do you put a little sauce on the top? I noticed here on the overhead view, we see the sauce on the top.
So it can be a little sauce to dip on.
Oh my gosh, this is wonderful.
Absolutely, and then just take a bite of it. And that's our watermelon soul juice right here. You want to wash that down with a little bit of that.
I do.
All right, because it may be a little spicy. I'll take a little bite myself.
I made mine a little too big.
Hey, that's all.
Yours needs handlebars, Tim.
Mine doesn't. Mine looks like a baby.
Or a second wrap.
There's no cutting this in half. There's no way.
I'm glad you brought the watermelon lemonade because we need it.
That's actually watermelon soul juice.
Oh, watermelon soul juice.
Get your taste of soul today. All right.
Oh, this is phenomenal.
Okay, now is this something we can find on the menu?
Absolutely. You can have it in a pulled pork version, a rib tip version, and a fish chunk version. Some of our other items we have right here. We also have an oxtail sampler right here. We have our fried chicken meal with green beans and baked beans with our cornbread. Now we also have our ribs, which comes with the potato salad, collard greens, and mac and cheese. That's another version of our soul burrito. It's fish chunks. Oh,
with fish in it.
You're kidding me with this oxtail. That is so good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, you know, I thought you said ox, but I wasn't sure.
It's the oxtail.
Oxtail, yeah. It's oxtail.
It's so good. It's a staple on soul food menus.
It really is. It's actually a Caribbean dish as well. And this is our famous fish sandwich, It's our king fish sandwich. A lot of people love it. That's another version of our soul bowl. That's a mac and cheese and pulled pork soul bowl. And then also our coleslaw at the end. But we have a variety of other dishes, but you're welcome to come out and test them out at any time. A lot of our customers have been trying to get a chance to try everything on our menu, and they still haven't been able to do it because we always have new ideas that we come up with from time to time. But the good news is we're here in the community, and a lot of our proceeds not only help economic development as far as providing jobs for many of our employees, we also use a portion of our resources to support our ministry efforts, as well as our community enrichment center we have plans to build.
Talk about why that's so important to you, because it really is spirituality, and you have when you walk in, faith is up on the wall.
Absolutely.
You can read about it.
Yeah, we're a faith-based business. You know, Jesus Christ is the inspiration behind us all. And so I pastor a local church here right off Washington Boulevard. The good news is it was divinely inspired. I remember being inside of the our church basement cooking, just getting ideas from them. And now we have people that have come out to help us with this vision.
Isn't that amazing?
Second chance efforts and things of that nature. So we're looking forward to it making a big impact in the community.
That is terrific.
Making a big impact on my stomach right now. This is awesome.
It really, and the portions, these are some hearty portions.
Oh, thank you. Thank you
all
so
don't
much.
skimp.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And there it is. There's the information right there.
Yep, located at 910 4th Avenue, right here in Huntington, West Virginia. And you're welcome to come out. We're open on Monday through Thursdays, 11 to 8 p.m. And Friday and Saturdays, 11 to 11.
Lamario, I'm telling you, this is you've hit it out of the park. This is great. And the other thing about it is, somebody once told me, you've really got to test a soul food restaurant by their greens. The greens are legit. They are really good. They're great stuff. I just tasted them.
And I
really
love
good
the
greens.
watermelon. Did you call it watermelon soul juice?
Yeah, watermelon soul juice.
I'm telling you, you're just killing it. It's wonderful.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks,
Very good. Thanks for shopping in.
Thank you very much for having us.
All right, before we go to the break, we're going to take a look outside right now.